Well, I'm terribly sorry about the light, but there's really nothing I can do about it, and my chicken is ready. So, I think I'm going to choose this guy right here, although he's softer. Yeah, let's take these two. Now remember, always clean them with alcohol. This is very hard to do, and hold on to your phone. I don't want to. Alright. So, they may be little. Oh, I didn't get him. Maybe he's enough for my sandwich tonight. No, he won't be. I'm going to go ahead and take that other one, and then I'll meet you at my sandwich. Okay, well they went really nicely on my chicken sandwich, and I think it's going to be tasty. I will let you know the truth. Anyway, I'm going to probably put it together and end the video because I am hungry. Well, I had to smash it down a little bit, but I'm going to have to use a fork and knife. But this is going to be an incredible sandwich. So, until my next update, which I'm going to let them stay on the vine just a little bit longer, we'll do it again. We'll make a different kind of sandwich. That's all for now. Thank you very much, and please like and subscribe and share. And have a great night.